Very good morning, dear students. Dear students, we are on the last topic of our chapter, that is lakes. Children, you might have heard about so many lakes like Dal Lake, which is in Kashmir, and you can find houseboat shikaras there. Now these lakes they attract a lot of tourists every year. And children, you might have visited many tourist spots which are near the lakes, and in the lakes you enjoy boating, swimming, and many other games. Fine. Now, if just imagine Srinagar and Nainital, which are tourist spaces, and just imagine them without the lakes. Fine. So, have you ever thought about how important are lakes to us? And what importance do they have in making a place attractive? Fine. Now, apart from the tourism, lakes are also useful to human beings in a lot of ways. Now, children, India has many lakes. They are different in size and other characteristics also. Some lakes are permanent, and some lakes have water only in the rainy seasons. Fine. Some lakes are in the basins of inland drainage of semi-arid regions. And children, some lakes are just made because of the action of glaciers and ice sheets. Fine. And some lakes are formed by wind, river, and human activities also. Now, children, as we have read in 7th standard also, when river enters the plain, it twists and turns. So when it twists and turns, it make meanders. Fine. So those meanders, they cut off from the river after some time, and those are known as oxbow lakes. Fine. Sometimes, children, the ocean collects so many things on the shore that a part of ocean, fine, is separated from the main ocean. So that's also a lake. So that example of that lagoon is Chilka Lake, then Pulikat Lake, then Koleru Lake. Fine. Now, children, there are lakes in the inland drainage also, and there are sometimes seasonal also, like if you talk about Sambar Lake, which is in Rajasthan, and that is a saltwater lake. Fine. Now, the Sambar Lake is used to produce salt in Rajasthan. Fine. And many lakes are freshwater lakes also. So what do you think? Freshwater lakes, they are found in the Himalayan region. Now, when the glaciers move, children, they bulldoze with them so many rocks and the surface of the earth. So they make a hollow there. Hollow, you can't call it hollow, but the land becomes a bit down from the normal land. Fine. So whenever the glaciers melt or whenever the rain comes, the that place is filled with water. So those are the lakes which are made by glaciers. Fine. So the example of that is Vulgar Lake in Jammu and Kashmir. Fine. And children, there are some lakes which are made out of tectonic activity. Tectonic plates we have read. So when those tectonic plates move, then sometimes the space is left in between, and that space is filled with water, and that becomes a lake. So tectonic lakes are also there. Now, this largest freshwater lake in India is the Wular Lake. Fine. Now, Dal Lake is also there. Bhimtal, Nainital, Loktak, Barapani. These are also important freshwater lakes. Now, apart from the natural lakes, also, children, some lakes are made to generate hydroelectricity, hydel power. Fine. So who make those lakes? Those are artificial lakes. They are known as man-made lakes. Fine. They are not natural. Like if you have Guru Gobind Sagar Lake on Bhakra Nangal project. Fine. Now, children, uh, Importance of lakes. Lakes are of very much important to us. Fine, they are very much helpful to us. They have a great value. Now they regulate the flow of water. Whenever the water flow is, more, they regulate the water flow. All the water gets collected into the lake. During heavy rains, children, the lakes they prevent flooding, and during the dry season, they maintain the flow of water. Fine. So the water during the dry season, we can take the water from the lake, and during heavy rains, they are preventing the area from flooding. Fine. Lakes are used for developing hydel power. Lakes are moderating the climate of the surrounding. Lakes are maintaining the aquatic ecosystem. They are enhancing the natural beauty of the place, and they are obviously developing tourism, and they are a source of recreation to us. So see children, there are so many advantages of a lake. Fine children, so this was all about the topic. Thank you and have a nice day.